Finally! I've been looking for this bird for 12 years.
We are back and painted bunting, not bunion, territory.
Hey Lucas, look up there. Top of that tree. Oh, you missed it.
It was a painted bunion. Wait, no, bunting.
Hello. Alright, tell everybody where we are.
We are in painted bunting territory. Climb up the tree and pet him.
Climb up the tree and pet him. Let's see if we can get. I think the whole creek is all. Yeah, the whole creek's body is all out.
Look at this. One of the passages turned into a riverbank. I wonder where they keep the money in the bank. Are there snakes?
I mean, there's not a lot of snakes anyway.
But there is some.
Well, yeah, there's always.
Give me a piggyback ride.
I'm not gonna give you a piggyback ride. That right there is some bird poop.
What? You heard Bigfoot?
No.
Wait, there's a bird on.
No, you're standing. Look, you gotta look all around you. What do you think this is? Do you see that?
No.
What are all those tracks?
Birds?
Buddy, that would be the weirdest looking bird.
I don't know. What tracks are those?
Deer.
Oh.
See? Okay, look. Do you see the two lines?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the hooves.
I think I can attract a reindeer.
A deer.
A deer. Ready?
Go ahead. And all the birds within 2 mile radius just left. Oh man, there's huge frogs. Do you not hear them? Got a burr on my butt. If you walk down a little bit further, it's crazy that standing from here just to down there 10 more feet, like how many more frogs you can hear. It's crazy.
What's it called again?
Warbling vireo.
And it's rare.
It is rare for here. You see how it's all like flat down like that?
Mhm.
It's like something was laying there. Like a deer or something last night. We saw those deer print back there.
Mhm.
So we decided that was a deer. Or it was somebody on a mountain bike that fell over.
So you found a bunch of warriors and what else?
Vireos and warblers.
And now we're going deeper in the wood to find a woodpecker for me.
It's messing with us now because there's an indigo bunting like right beside us. We saw one here the other day whenever we were out, didn't we? Remember the bright blue bird? And it flew down and I almost got a video of it, but I didn't. It's gotta be right here, buddy.
Which is right above us. There's some things in the tree.
Look at that indigo bunting.
The what?
It's the indigo bunting. That's what that is. 100% indigo bunting. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Above.
Oh yeah, that is such an indigo bunting.
Oh, there's another one in the back of the tree. So we just saw an indigo bunting, and we're in the forest to find me a red belly woodpecker, and it kind of looks creepy up ahead.
Look at all these pretty wildflowers. Can you get a video of the wildflowers?
Ooh. What's that say?
The rail god. It's the pin path down there.
Why is it do that?
Like the mountain bike path. Look at all these pretty wildflowers. Okay, we just heard a painted bunting. We just heard. Dude! We did it! Finally! I've been looking for this bird for 12 years! It's in this tree.
No, it isn't. It flew over there.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Wait.
Over there.
Oh my goodness.
This is so fun. What? Zombie?
I just
This is so fun.
I just wanna sit here and watch. Can we just watch it for a little bit? I've been trying to track this bird for 12 years now. I've been trying to find this bird.
And we found it.
And we finally found it, yeah. And in like the most beautiful setting too. Because we're surrounded by like all these wildflowers. Oh, he's so pretty.
Mhm. You got your bird. Now let's try to find my bird.
I'm still, like, my mind is at like 12 years. I've been in the painted bunting territory for 12 years. And for 12 years, I have been, and I'm not like a passive birder, like actively trying to see a painted bunting. When it shows up in iNaturalist and all the apps and everything, I have actively like gone out and trying to see it. Have not been able to see it for 12 years. Arkansas and Texas, finally, this is why Luke and I have been coming out here, is to see the painted bunting the last few days. Look at all these beautiful wildflowers.
And now we'll be coming out here to see a red-bellied woodpecker.
Yes, now we're gonna try to see a red-bellied woodpecker. You guys gotta see some of these wildflowers.
Hey, Mom, take a picture of this view up here.
So let's see here. Trailhead.
Where's that?
Like the beginning of a trail is up this way. Huh?
Where do we go now?
Well, which way do you want to go?
Oh, no.
We finally saw the painted bunting. That's the whole reason why Luke and I have been going out. I love sharing birding with Lucas. But we're going to keep walking. My battery is almost dead. We're going to keep looking for some woodpeckers, and then we're going to head out. This is, for me, has been successful. Do you think this has been successful birding? Yeah. Heck yeah. Frogs, raccoon prints, deer. Yeah, the deer prints, indigo bunting, painted bunting, warbling vireo. I'll post the whole birding list. Oh, that's just that.
What is?
The path. This is the quote-unquote bypass. Okay, we found fossils too, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Oh, there it goes. Whoa, put down the window. We're leaving, and a painted bunting literally just, do you hear it? A painted bunting flew in front of the car. You can hear it. Now we're just attracting them all over the place. That's how it goes. Oh my gosh, how many are there? This is getting insane. There's literally 4 here now. 4. Are you kidding me right now? There's like 4.